There are facts out there that are interesting, fun, maybe even useful. This video, none of that. These are facts that crawl under your skin, that make you stare at the ceiling at 3 a.m. This is the side of reality we don't talk about at dinner. You've been warned. 1. Unit 731, Human Science at its worst. During World War II, Japan's Unit 731 became a laboratory of horror. Civilians, including children, were subjected to surgeries without anesthesia. They were infected with plague, frostbitten to test endurance, and exposed to chemical weapons, alive. It's estimated up to 300,000 people were killed. After the war, the doctors were granted immunity in exchange for their research. Yes, the monsters walked free. 2. Zombie ants are real, and they're controlled by a fungus. There's a fungus called Ophiocordyceps that infects ants and hijacks their nervous system. It makes them climb to a high leaf, bite down, and die. Then the fungus erupts from their head and rains spores on others. The worst part? Scientists have found relatives of this fungus that might infect spiders and possibly larger insects. Nature is building its own zombie army. 3. The body doesn't just shut down after death. We think death is instant. It's not. Muscles twitch. The body groans. Nails and hair appear to keep growing. And in some cases, the dead sit up. It's called the Lazarus reflex. Just a final, creepy fire of electrical signals. But if you're in the room, it feels like something's waking up. 4. The catacombs of Paris hold a dark secret beneath the streets. Under Paris lies over 200 miles of tunnels, filled with bones. In the 1700s, overflowing cemeteries forced authorities to move the dead underground. 6 million skulls and skeletons now line the walls. Some parts are open to tourists, but others, sealed. Explorers have ventured deep into the catacombs and disappeared without a trace. All that's left behind? A camera, still recording. 5. People can be awake during surgery, but paralyzed. It's called anesthesia awareness. A rare condition where the anesthesia paralyzes your body, but doesn't knock you out. You feel the scalpel, the pressure, the pain, but you can't scream. You can't even move a finger. For some patients, it lasts minutes. For others, the trauma lasts for years. 6. Cockroaches will eat you if they have to. They're not just gross, they're opportunistic. In extreme situations, cockroaches will chew on human skin, eyebrows, fingernails, even eyelids while you sleep. And yes, this has happened in real life. They're not coming for food scraps anymore. They're coming for you. 7. Dying in a black hole is slow and horrifying. Fall into a black hole and your body will stretch, slowly, painfully, into thin strands of atoms. It's called spaghettification. But time itself bends near a black hole. From the outside, your fall would look frozen. But for you, it would feel eternal. You'd die watching the universe collapse into nothing. 8. Rats can invade through the smallest cracks. If a rat can squeeze its skull into a space, the rest of its body follows. Pipes, toilets, vents. There are verified cases of rats climbing through sewage systems and emerging into people's homes. Sometimes, from the toilet bowl. Next time you sit down, you might want to look first. Still watching? That either means you're fearless, or you're just like the rest of us, morbidly curious. Either way, hit that subscribe button, because the world is darker than you think, and we're just getting started.